welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you automated data preparation in IBM SPSS Modeler. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So if we're talking about automated data preparation, we want to start by talking about the AI lifecycle. So here is the auto data prep node, and here's the AI lifecycle. And you can see there's 6 phases. So we start with the problem definition, followed by data acquisition and preparation. Then we have model development and training, then model evaluation and refinement, deployment, and finally, machine learning operations. Now, if we're talking about the second phase, here we have data acquisition. We also have data understanding and data preparation. And up to 80% of time on an AI or a machine learning project can be consumed by data acquisition and data preparation. And this is where the auto data prep node will help us a great deal. So what is the automated data preparation node? Well, it's a tool that helps you prepare your data for analysis. It's located on the field operations palette in Modeler. It can automatically analyze your data, fix issues, remove problematic fields, and create new attributes when needed. And you can use it in an automated fashion, or you can use it in an interactive fashion. Using this node will speed up model building and scoring, and it makes your automated modeling process more robust. So now we want to see how all of this works in IBM SPSS Modeler. I'm going to use a demo stream with demo data so I can show you how the automated data preparation works. So I'm in IBM SPSS Modeler, and you can see here I have a demo stream open. Now, what I wanted to show you first of all was the auto data prep node. Now, to use this node, you'll need to go to the field operations palette here, and you can see the auto data prep node here. We know that this will automatically prepare our data for modeling if we choose. So we were saying that it can automatically analyze your data, fix issues, remove problematic fields, and create new attributes when needed. You can use it in an automated fashion, or you can use it interactively. And what I've done is I've created 2 models. One model, I have a custom analysis. Another model, I've chosen to work in an automated fashion. So let's talk about the node. So let me double click to open it up. Now there are tabs across the top. So if I click on the Objectives tab, it asks me what my objective is. I can balance speed and accuracy. I can optimize for speed, optimize for accuracy, or I can ask for a custom analysis. I would choose this option to fine-tune the algorithm on the Settings tab. And the Settings tab is here. Now, you will see on the Settings tab, you have field settings. You can prepare dates and times. You can exclude input fields. This is very useful because you can exclude low quality input fields. For example, you could exclude fields with too many missing values, and then you set a maximum percentage of missing values. You could also, for example, exclude nominal fields with too many unique categories. You can prepare inputs and the target field. So, for example, for continuous fields, you could replace missing values with the mean if you choose. You could replace outlier values in continuous fields. So you can see the options you have here. You can also transform continuous fields here. You can construct and select features. So you could, for example, perform feature selection. You can also manage field names. Now, once I've made my selections, I can click on Analyze Data and click on Analysis. And you can see I'll have a field processing summary and predictors recommended for use in analysis. This will show the predictive power. Now, if I come down and I click on Fields, you will see each field. If I look at this field, details for debt to income ratio, you can see the original distribution, the transformed, and then you can see the action, so transformed to standard units. Below this, we have action summary. So we can look at continuous predictors. So we have 7 predictors transformed to standard units. So this will give you an overview of how the data has been transformed. Now, if you need to clear your analysis, you just click on the Clear Analysis button. Now here, I ran a custom analysis, which meant that I went on the Auto Data Prep node. Under Objectives, I asked for Custom Analysis, and then I chose the settings that I wanted. Now, if I look at my model results, you'll notice that I'm interested in predicting those who take up a product offering. And the model was good. If we look at observed crossed with predicted, you can see the model correctly identified 81% of cases. So it has 81% accuracy for finding those who took up the product offering. Here I ran an automated model. And in this case, I chose to balance speed and accuracy. Now you can see model accuracy for finding those who took up the product offering is 88%. So you can see we got quite a gain from using the auto data prep node in an automated fashion. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can visit us at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching and bye for now.